Hi everyone, my name is Jody. For those of you who love the outdoors, most of you have some kind of sports watch. For some reason, the watch, no matter the brand, will inspire you to work and play harder, even if it's to run to the fridge faster like I do. For my ad campaign, I chose to start with Garmin, so I hopped on Google and I found this cool ad for a Garmin watch. The two watches are the focus of this ad, and they are positioned in the thirds row of the page. They are facing the center of the ad, making it so it doesn't face off the page. The first thing you notice are the watches, and then you are drawn to the text. This is a clean and simple design. See, there really is a coach in every watch. I just wish it would guide me to the produce aisle instead of the candy lane. The typography used is a sans serif font that is clean, simple, and easy to read. The text is aligned to the left, which reads toward the subjects. The blue Forerunner text even pulls out the blue in one of the watches and the diamond in the logo. Personally, I'd rather have a sparkly clear diamond, but this upside down blue one works for this ad. Next, if you notice, the watch colors are nicely contrasting to the page and the text colors. The background is a nice soft gradient gray that completes the page. The promoting box is also a nice contrast to the page and a complement to the ad. These colors are sharp and easy on the eyes. So, on to the new ad. Here I have created the same feel with this ad. That is, using Garmin will motivate those that own one. I found this gal and placed her here in the same thirds position of the original ad of the watches. She is facing the center as to not run off the page without completing my ad campaign first. I used the same gray, blue, and black colors as the original ad. Her clothing contrasts with the lighter colors and yet helps highlight the blues and blacks in the text. I used the same sans serif font and colors, also lining up the text on the left. There are many consistencies in my ad to match the original ad, and I hope the motivation is the same. I think my gal is ready to run a race, so I'll end here and say thanks for your time viewing my presentation. Now go out and get a Garmin so you can move it, just move it.